just pulled over, thought I'd stop for a bit of lunch. Got the barbecue on, so I'm going to try a barbecue chicken burger, see how it goes. Did a steak burger a few months ago now, seemed to go alright, tasted nice, so I thought I'd give a chicken burger a go. So I've got some bread rolls, egg, sliced cheese, some lettuce, tomato, some pineapple and some bacon. Also got half a chicken breast, so I've already used half of it. So I'm going to do something I did a few weeks ago. I don't have a meat mallet, so all I'm going to do, and the reason I do this, one, I want to make it a bit thinner, but I also want to make it so it's even all the way through. You know, when you get most chicken breasts, you got one end that's thick down to the other end. So I just want to make sure it cooks evenly, and it's about the same thickness all the way through, and it will also cover the bread roll. I'll just give it a squeeze between the two boards. It's in plastic, so I'm not too worried about the raw chicken. And now we've got a nice sized chicken breast. All I'm going to basically do is get the bacon on, an egg and the chicken breast. This is a simple cook up, this won't take long at all. Then I'll throw a bit of pineapple on the barbecue as well, lettuce, tomato, salt and pepper, and then I've got some garlic aioli to finish it off. As I said, barbecue is already nice and hot. A little bit of oil. So I'm just going to turn the gas off now. There's enough heat on that hot plate. Going to throw the pineapple on there as well. As I said, this one's a real simple, quick throw together lunch. What I'll actually do is I'll get that food off the plate. So just going to let the pineapple cook a little bit longer. Chicken. Might just throw the cheese on there now. bacon. Lettuce. As always guys, try to get some fresh produce, makes a world of difference. And what you can do if you want, you can just take out that extra bread and use that like a cup for your whatever extras you want to put on there. And what you can do if you want, you can just take out that extra bread. I did mean to get a pineapple slices and not crushed pineapple, but it's all the same. And then garlic aioli. As much or as little as you like. There you go guys, probably one of the simplest cook-ups I've done actually. 10 minutes, that's all you need to spend on this one. Anybody can do this. Chicken burger, Hawaiian style I suppose. Bit of pineapple, bacon, egg and cheese on there as well. Righto guys, that is probably the easiest cook-up you could do at a campsite. The steak burger was as well, although I did dice up some garlic and also some onion. But that, what I just did then for you, will be probably the easiest cook-up you'll do at a campsite, other than just making a salad sandwich. Nice and simple, nice thin bit of chicken breast. Make sure it's flat so it can cook evenly. Put on it whatever you want. That was just my quick little version. It's what I had in the fridge. Nice, easy. A little bit messy when you while you're eating it, so just be prepared for that. But really delicious as well. Thanks heaps for watching guys. Hope you like this one. More cook-ups to come in the future. So leave comments, give me some ideas what you'd like me to try and cook. I'll give it a go. As I said, I'm no chef, I'm no cook. I just come up with these ideas and think I'll share them with you. Anyway, please hit the like, subscribe and hit that little bell just so you know there's another video coming up. Thanks again guys, travel safely.